Hi, welcome back to Lawyerist Lens. So this week I want to talk about how to choose practice management software, which is one of the most common questions we get all across the community is what should I use? So let's talk through the way to make that decision. First, know what to expect from your software. I put together a legal software bill of rights that covers some of the basic expectations that you should have, like you should be able to figure out how much it costs, and you should be able to figure out what security measures the company takes. It's important to know these things when you're choosing because it's not just about which has the slickest user interface or which is most compatible with your firm's network. So use the legal software bill of rights to kind of think through what you should expect of the options out there. Second, think about what your firm specifically needs. Lots of times we get a question where people just want to know, is this good or not? But good is relative, right? Good depends on your specific firm's needs. Do you need your software to include email management? Or is it just enough if you can file your emails in your software? Do you need your software to be locally installed on your own server? Or can it be in the cloud? Or are you not sure? Those are all really important questions. So is your subject matter. So if you're a personal injury lawyer, you probably have different requirements than a family lawyer or a business lawyer. And so think about what you need, but also when you're talking to other people about what they like or don't like about it, get specific. What don't they like in the context of what kind of law they practice, how their office is constituted, all of these things, so that you really understand what you need from your software. Third, we've put together a really detailed comparison chart with the main features of each software product compared to all of the others. Once you know what you need, you can download our chart, links up here, and it's free. And then you can compare, like, what do you need versus what are the offerings? And then you should be able to narrow things down to a few choices, which is number 4. So once you have a few choices of likely options, now you can start asking more intelligent questions of people about what they like and don't like. Specifically, how does this feature work for you? In your workflow, what do you like and don't like about this feature? You can start talking to other users and ask them specific questions about your needs. But more importantly, there's no substitute for just trying it. And if the software doesn't offer a free trial, you should call them up and ask for one, because almost all of them will give you a month or so, a few weeks at least, free, so you can try it. And here's how I recommend trying it. First, go ahead and get the software and try it out. But then what I would do is I would go through the intake process, at least the intake process on one matter, the same on all 3 platforms. Yeah, it's time consuming and tedious to enter the same client data over and over and over again, but you'll never get to know the software as well as if you actually use it in the way that you think you will. And so in doing that, you'll discover all of the quirks of how the user interface works, what the user experience is like, and you'll get a really good idea of which one you think you want to use. As you're doing this, however, be adaptable. Most software has a way that it is intended to be used, and it might not align perfectly with the way you're doing things now. So consider, where are you willing to flex and bend to the way the software wants to be used, and where are you going to insist on doing things your own way? And just be thinking about that as you use the software and look for opportunities to sort of meet in the middle. Or if you really have to find software that fits your needs in your way, try and find it and be open to the fact that you may have to customize or tweak things or find something that is designed to be tweaked and customized in the way that you want. So that's how I recommend going about figuring out what law practice management software that you need. And note, step 1 is not spread an email out to your local list or your favorite internet group or forum asking everybody what they like. You're not going to get useful information that way. You will get useful information if you go about this process a little bit deliberately and use your own opinion. Don't just go to a consultant and ask them what to use, because they aren't inside your head and they don't understand your preferences in the way that you do. So visit our product portal where we've got a whole bunch of law practice management software solutions. Browse through there, see what grabs you, and test a few options, maybe just 1 or 2, to see what you really want to use in your firm. Thanks for watching this week. We'll be back next week with another Lawyerist Lens. Make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, or if you're watching this on Twitter or Facebook, please visit our YouTube channel and subscribe. You'll get notified of new episodes and you'll help other people find the show.